Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing these Truke Fit Pro truly wireless earphones. By the way, these truly wireless earphones are priced at 999 rupees and you can buy them online on Amazon.in. Link for that is in the description. By the way, this is my first time looking at a pair of earphones which actually come with Dolphin style earphones. You'll know more about them in a second. Anyway, this is how the box looks. At the top left corner, we have the Truke branding and followed by a quick preview of how the earphones look, which by the way looks pretty decent, followed by the product's name, that's Fit Pro. Underneath it, it also says truly wireless Bluetooth headset. At the bottom, we have some specifications related to manufacturer information and so on. On the right side, it says power of true beats. On the left side, we have some of the highlighting features like up to 20 hours of music playback, instant pairing, deep bass, and these earphones are also compatible with Windows, Android, and iOS. By the way, at the top it's completely plain. Finally, on the back side we have some more highlighting features with some important specifications, like these earphones run on Bluetooth 5.0, that's pretty great. Playtime is about 4.5 hours, charging time is 90 minutes, and the battery inside each pair of earphones is 40 mAh, and the case itself has 500 mAh battery. And all this just weighs 48 grams, and that's really light in weight. Anyway, now let's get on with the unboxing. So once we open the box, inside first we have the earphones case itself. By the way, there are three colors available: green, black and blue, and we have the green color. Let me just put that aside. Next we have a USB Type-C charging cable, and finally some documentation. Now let's come back to the box itself. At the top, once again we have the Truke branding, and the case also has a strap pre-attached, which is a nice gesture. On the front there is a small groove to open the lid. On the back side, it has a USB Type-C charging port. Initial impressions, this case definitely looks great and feels great. Especially it has a nice smooth velvety texture which feels great in hand. So at least as far as the case goes, up till now, great so far. Anyway, once we open the lid, we can see the earphones. Below the earphones we have the left and right markings, and between the earphones we have 4 LED indicators for battery indication. Now let me take these earphones out, and this is how the earphones look. This is the innovative Dolphin design that the company was talking about. It definitely looks very unique, and this is the first time I'm looking at a pair of earphones that looks as unique as these. Now let me just put them back. They also have magnets to auto align, which is once again a great thing. Now when you first get these pair of earphones, make sure you remove the protective plastic from the charging pins on earbuds and charge the earbuds inside the case for at least 1 hour. And once you're done, you can go ahead with the pairing process. Now to pair these pair of earphones, you need to first take the earbuds out of the case. Both earbuds will start blinking with red and blue LEDs. In a few seconds, one of the earbuds stops blinking while the other one keeps blinking. Now you need to turn on Bluetooth on your phone and search for Truke Fit Pro. And that's all it takes to pair your earphones. Now let's take a closer look at the earphones. So this is how the earphones look on the front. You also get the Truke branding, which is actually a button. It's a physical button, not a touch button. And on the back side we have the charging pins. Now this physical button has a lot of functions. You can press and hold it for 5 seconds to turn it off. You can click it once to play or pause music. And when you're on a call, you can click it once to answer or end call, and press and hold it for 2 seconds to reject a call. While you're playing music, you can press and hold the button on the left earphone for 2 seconds for previous song, and if you do the same thing on the right earphone, it'll play the next song. When you're not listening to music, if you press and hold the button for 2 seconds, on the left side, it'll trigger Google Assistant, and on the right side, it'll redial your last call. So these are all the functionalities that we have right out of the box. As for the review, in terms of overall design and build, I'd say it is pretty decent for the price. I personally like how the case is built and designed, like how it is pretty light in weight and plastic material is also pretty decent, and the texture in fact feels really good. I just wish the lid itself wouldn't have been so flimsy. Something a bit more sturdier would have been great. As for the earphones and audio quality, they are good and clear, but the volume levels are slightly lower. Normally I had to set volume at 70 or 80% to hear things normally. As for the unique Dolphin design, it's definitely unique, and when you place them in your ears, it definitely feels a bit different, and for some people it might even poke a bit. I personally didn't have any such issues. It fit pretty comfortably, there was no pain or anything like that, and it was pretty light on ears as well. So guys, for a price of 1000 rupees, if you're looking for truly wireless earphones, you can definitely give this a try. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one.